that. So this is how you show in a monster. So, alrighty, baby Jesus. Well, now that my vision's gone. Oh shit! I guess I should still try it.
It's all over my face.
Oh, my phone! Oh, I'm sorry, baby. Alright, well. Can't even do it.
Don't you have to open the top?
Mm-hmm.
Did you do it yet?
I totally forgot about that. That's probably why it exploded. Oh, this is terrible. Someone's gonna come on this truck. Someone's on this truck tomorrow like, why is it so sticky?
Why does it smell like cookies and cream? I guess this is why Milan wears gloves when he drives.
We're gonna go to every stop. Hey, at least we got napkins.
You got my pants.
This is terrible.
My shirt, bitch. Oh my god.
Oh, this is. I forgot to pop it.
So
Look at the ceiling.
I'm so glad I recorded that.
It's all that clean up everybody, everywhere. Holy shit. Alright. I got fucking that on my leg and shit. I use the windshield wipers, that's on the inside.
I'm pretty sure. Look at my phone. Is there something on my phone?
Yeah.
Sweet, thanks.
No props.
Yep.
We're gonna have to go take a bath somewhere and shit. This is just too much right now.
You might as well just pour water all over your
We're gonna
steer.
go to McDonald's, just ask for napkins.
Go through the drive-thru. Can we just get napkins, please?
Can we get a dip cone with 100 napkins? We need 100 napkins to stack.
You said a dip cone.
Dip cones are shit. I don't know if you talk about.
Only if it's chocolate.
Well, does this whole thing come out? We're gonna have to like dump this thing out later.
Dump what?
This whole like rug at the bottom.
Oh. That was the best idea I've ever had for you to shotgun that thing.
I totally forgot.
I wasn't gonna say anything when you were doing it.
Yeah,
I was
thanks.
like, "You're
We're
welcome."
gonna go to every stop. They're like, "Wow, these motherfuckers smell delicious." Like, there must be some new kind of shampoo. Like, you're still recording right now?
Yeah.
Jesus. What's up, everybody? You curling? I love you. I'm not gonna see that shit. Sorry for the cussing. Anyways, look, I'm cleaning. You should be happy. It's a good quality. Oh my god. My hair's a mess. I should have got my hair cut for this. Photo op. Stars. Well, that's how you shotgun a monster.